Welcome to our video guide on efficient management of manufacturer sales reports. With this powerful tool, you can generate detailed reports to analyze manufacturer-specific sales data effortlessly. To get started, ensure you have the Manufacturer Sales Report module installed via the App Shop. Once installed, head over to the Reports and Manufacturer Sales tabs to unlock the full potential of this feature. Under the Manufacturer Sales tab, you'll gain access to a comprehensive interface where you can apply sales reports to multiple channels. Simply check the box next to the desired sales channel to tailor your reports accordingly. Create reports for specific periods with ease using the convenient drop-down calendar. This flexibility allows you to analyze manufacturer sales trends over selected time frames, providing valuable insights for your business. Manufacturer sales reports are presented in a user-friendly table format with columns such as manufacturers, products sold, and total sales. Dive into the details and gain a deeper understanding of your sales performance. Quickly sort your report data by utilizing the up and down triangle icons in the table columns. Enhance your analysis by filtering results with the built-in search option, making it easier to pinpoint the information you need. Need to share or analyze your manufacturer sales reports externally? No problem. Click on the Export button to effortlessly export your data to a CSV file for further analysis and collaboration. For a more convenient experience when dealing with a large number of records, customize the display of record quantity per page. Simply select your preferred number from the drop-down list, ensuring efficient navigation through your reports. With these tips, you'll master the art of managing manufacturer sales reports, gaining valuable insights into your sales performance. Optimize your analysis today. Thank you for watching.